all the packages and library that needs to be downloaded are already downloading. Okay, I don't need to bore you with all of this, so let's come back to it when it is finished downloading. Okay, so as you can see, you can now see that it has finished downloading and every other package is already set. So what we need to do now is to run the Jupyter to start it. So what do we need? So look at, we install the notebook. So the command that will do it is Jupyter Notebook. So we can open it like this and then open our commands and command line and hit enter. And so if it is installed correctly, it will open for us. Okay. Alright. Okay. So you can see that it has opened a local web address for us, and it has opened on the browser. So depending on the browser you are using, I'm using Chrome browser, so which will make it like this. So as you can see, we now have a new Jupyter notebook running on our system. Now there are several things you can do.